Hello and welcome. How are you doing? Next I'd like to show you that how to replace this Toyota Corolla's air filter, and there is this air filter area. This is inside in this black box, and now this air filter years are in 1991 to 1999, and there is this Toyota Corolla's engine. What is this Series A type, and in US we have engine size 1.8, and in Europe it is 1.6 and 1.3 liter engines, gasoline engines. Okay, and what to do first? First we need to inspect that air filter in specific timelines and specific kilometers. And it's really important to note that where we are driving, because if we are driving only in highways what are very clean and there is no much sand and dust, then it is possible that we can clean this air filter by compressed air. But then if we drive in roads what are really dusty, then it be possible that our air filters are full of dusties, and we need to replace these air filters even more often than normally. And let's look at how to inspect this air filter. And this air filter replace time is that every 30,000 kilometers or 18,000 miles. And let's start to open that, and in that air filter cover there is 4 metallic fasteners what keeps this in position, and these fasteners work so that when we look that first one in here, this opens so that I insert my finger in there and then I only press it in that way. And these are really easy to use. This is this Toyota's excellent quality. And then when we look in here, there is the second one. We open also that, and then we look in that other side next. We look, there is the next one. It opens in that way, and then the final one, it is a little bit in here deeper. It is in here, and it opens so that I press that in this way, and there was this one in here. And then when we have opened those fasteners, we can take our contact in here, and then, by the way, there was one this gas pedal cable what is in this position in here, and we need to take that maybe also out. And then we only start to little bit lift that up, and then when this is in that position, we can take this carefully, that old filter in here. We all check that those old fasteners don't are in here like stoppers. And we move these away in here, and then carefully we take that in here, and in that position, this direction, we pull out this old filter. And there we have this old filter, and we can check that what is the status, and if this old filter looks like new one, we can reuse it. But even in that one, this is very dusty, and we need to replace that to new one. And then I showed that how to clean that little bit if we have very high quality old filter. Next. Okay, and there is then by the way, it's good to purchase Denso's air filter. There is sign that Denso made in USA, and there is also this product code. What is this? 178010230 is this, and this is Toyota's original air filter, and these filters are best quality, and it is possible to little bit clean by this compressed air. There comes this air, and remember to use gloves because this compressed air is dangerous if it goes directly to our skin. And this cleaning happens so that we always can clean this out. This is like outer area and this is inner area. That we insert that our compressed air in the insert area, and then we clean a little bit that in this direction, that air goes in that direction, because normally air goes in here to here. Now we are like opposite mode, and then we can try to bend this dust is away, but like in that my case, this filter is so totally scrappy that I need to purchase new one, because this is so black. Okay, and then we continue that how to install this new filter back. Okay, and then when we are installing this new filter back, it happens so that again in that direction we little bit lift that up, and then we insert that new filter in here, and in carefully we move that in so deep that it goes in there very deeply inside this box. Like in here we have issue that this is in wrong way, and that's I need to little bit lift that up that it goes all areas so deep like in here. This is very important, that this filter must be inside in very well in here. Please check all areas that this filter is in well in there, and then we insert that our cover, and then there are those, of course, those fasteners in every 4 corners, and we need to take those fasteners away that they are not in here. And this cover installation is good to start in that corner, that it goes firstly in here, and then when we little bit press that down and then move, we can start to insert these clippers. And it's good to check all those areas, corners, that those clippers are in right position. This one is in here. It is in right position, and I can fasten it. Now it's there, and then it's good to check this joint that there is no any holes. And then next one, it's this fastener, and it goes in here, and a little bit press that. Now it's well, and then the final one, it is in here, and then I press that in here, and everything looks fine. And then remember to insert that gas pedal cable, what is in here. It is now in wrong position, and I need to a little bit move that in different place. Now it is actually stuck, and that's I need to open this my system. Okay, it goes nicely, and then also we need to check this airflow sensor, that is this in well place. It is in here, and it's looked to be also in well, because sometimes those parts could be open and be like in wrong position. But now now I'm happy, and this air filter replace has been made, and thank you for watching this video.